Hi, I'm Amijan and welcome to Mastering Delphi video course by Pact Publishing. So let me introduce myself. My name is Mamijan Abduraimov. I'm 17-year-old software developer from Uzbekistan. As you can see, I am Delphi developer and also I have a good knowledge about Android and web development. That means I have a good experience with other programming languages and the frameworks. Moreover, I am the founder of Delphi.us. In this video course, you will learn how to use Delphi technologies to build striking applications. What we will learn in this video course? We have 7 sections. In the first section, you will learn a FireMonkey framework creating Windows and Android applications. Second section, we discover all of the most popular concepts in Delphi. And the next section, we will learn database development with the FireDeck framework. In the fourth section, we will learn modern web development in Delphi using third-party frameworks. In the fifth section, we will learn how to make server and client applications with DataSnap library. In the next section, we will discover IoT development in Delphi. In the last section, we will learn Delphi best practices, for instance, simple ways for protecting VCL applications, unit testing in Delphi, and more. In the first step, you will learn the most common ways of building apps with Delphi. Next step, we will power up the Delphi apps with magnificent components and frameworks. Last step, we will be able to create amazing multi-device applications. So, here is the prerequisites for this video course. You have to have Delphi Berlin or newer. You must be familiar with Delphi programming language basics, for example, data types, working with strings, arrays, and the programming logic, working with files. Also, you should understand how to use the Delphi IDE. If you will learn this video course, you will be able to develop multi-device applications with Delphi, developing enterprise applications using Delphi, and acquiring knowledge about Delphi technologies. For instance, FireMonkey, VCL, FireDeck, DataSnap, WebBroker, animations, working with web development libraries, and REST components, IoT in Delphi with app-tethering technology, using BAS providers, and more. I will see you inside the course.